The Mutare and Bulawayo conferences stripped to their core are about one thing: the vicious succession dispute between President Mnangagwa and Vice President Chiwenga. The two men, to their credit, have not publicly exchanged blows, at least not yet, but their proxies are already at war on their behalf. Sarapena mashoko aiwa AKOC irikuitika in the ruling party ZANU-PF kuchonekwa kunzi the two leaders panguva ino aiwa asazvatanga kurwa chaiko chaiko kurunzi muchazokuona ndobva subscribe or like on the bell icon tipina pano paMzimbai nendambira chiti we are repeatedly told that the president has no interest in third term. He has reportedly assured CHAMISA and others that he is a constitutionalist. For those who lived through November 2017, this claim may sound ironic, but that is beside the point. One wonders where are the third termists drawing their energy from? This crusade would have died a natural death, yet the president emphatically declared his intention to step down in 2028. The fact that the debate persists suggests encouragement from within. Some even suspect that 2028 is merely a stepping stone towards abolishing term limits altogether. Otherwise, why all this noise and polarization over just 2 years? As in 2017, the final arbiters of this conflict will not be ZANU-PF's rank and file along accustomed to uncritical obedience, but the state cohesive institutions, already movements within the Central Intelligence Organization CIO, hint at such an outcome. What makes this fight particularly dangerous for ordinary Zimbabweans is the involvement of the intelligence agents itself. The two books mentioned earlier expose the CIO long-standing entanglement with partisan politics. Both authors confirm that the institution serves not national interests but the narrow political objectives of the ruling party, just as the military did during the 2017 coup and arguably continues to do today. Though much kuda pangwa ine arunyasokonekwa kunzi aiwa fights are between these two rivals are intensifying, and panguva ine anowisa munhu pasi nokuda kwokuti these fights ane vakomana veintelligence varimo kati zvinatsokuratidza pachena kuti 2028 kuchange kusingadyiwi rinopisa starting from now. Pinda comment section yedu muzamafungiro emu tikuri pamusoro pechitwechi. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.